Welcome back to Mystery Curtain, the channel where we dissect tech so you don't have to. In a moment, we'll take a hands-on look at the newest, evaluate it. Geekom A9 Max Review, a compact mini PC with surprising gaming power. The mini PC market has often been seen as a compromise. Small form factors usually mean reduced performance. However, the Geekom A9 Max aims to challenge that perception by combining elegant design with powerful internals capable of both productivity and gaming. Compact enough to fit into the palm of your hand yet boasting hardware that rivals gaming laptops and even some desktop systems. This machine raises the question: can a mini PC truly replace a traditional gaming rig? Design minimalist yet functional. From the moment you unbox it, the Geekom A9 Max radiates premium quality. The packaging is simple and elegant, evoking comparisons with Apple's Mac Mini. Inside lies the A9 Max in a sleek silver finish. Modern, clean, and professional. Its footprint is almost identical to the Mac Mini, differing only by a few millimeters in size and a handful of grams in weight. Despite its diminutive proportions, the chassis feels sturdy and well-built. Thanks to its compact design, the A9 Max easily integrates into tight workspaces, whether tucked behind a monitor or displayed proudly on a desk. For maximum flexibility, Geekom includes a VESA mount, allowing users to attach the PC directly behind a monitor for a clutter-free setup. Still, with its stylish aesthetics, many may prefer to keep it visible as a centerpiece of their workstation. Connectivity ports aplenty. Unlike many minimalist PCs that sacrifice ports for form, the A9 Max strikes a practical balance between looks and functionality. On the front, you'll find 4 USB 3.2 ports, one of which supports device charging even when the PC is powered off. The rear side reveals an even richer selection: 2 HDMI 2.1 ports, 2 2.5G Ethernet ports, 2 USB-C 4.0 ports, an additional USB 3.2, and a legacy USB 2.0 port. For content creators, a full-size SD card reader is also included. This connectivity suite rivals, and, in some cases surpasses, what's offered on full-sized desktop PCs, making the A9 Max not just portable but also versatile for a wide range of use cases. Hardware and performance: Ryzen AI 9HX 370 with Radeon 890M. At the heart of the A9 Max is AMD's new Ryzen AI 9HX 370 processor, featuring 12 cores, 4 Zen 5 8 Zen 5C and 24 threads, paired with the integrated Radeon 890M GPU. The chip also includes a built-in NPU capable of 50 TOPS, making the A9 Max a certified Copilot PC. The review unit came with 32 GB of DDR5 5600 MHz RAM, expandable up to 128 GB via SATA slots, and a 2 TB PCIe 4.0 Lexer SSD, with an extra M.2 2230 slot available for expansion. Power is delivered through an external 120W adapter, leaving more internal room for efficient thermal design. Out of the box, the APU runs at 54W but can scale up to 58W under heavy loads. The only noticeable omission is Oculink support for external GPUs, though users can still connect eGPUs via USB 4, albeit with more limited compatibility. Gaming performance: small size, big numbers. Despite being a mini PC, the A9 Max holds its own in gaming. In Cyberpunk 2077, it achieved an average of 61 FPS on medium settings with FSR balanced enabled, improving by another 30 FPS when frame generation was activated. Call of Duty Black Ops 6 ran smoothly at 77 FPS on balanced settings, while Forza Horizon 5 maintained around 66 FPS on high. In Shadow of the Tomb Raider, the A9 Max averaged 61 FPS on medium settings with CES balanced. proving that even demanding AAA titles are playable at 1080p. The Radeon 890M GPU, based on RDNA 3.5 architecture, with 16 compute units, allows users to allocate up to 16 GB of shared VRAM from system memory, further boosting performance in both gaming and AI workloads. AI and productivity more than just gaming. Beyond gaming, the A9 Max demonstrates impressive AI and productivity performance. With 16 GB RAM and 16 GB allocated VRAM, it handled large language models like GPT-OS-20B at 25 tokens per second on a 4K context window. For generative AI, Stable Diffusion ran faster and more reliably on the GPU than the NPU, highlighting the strength of Radeon graphics. Benchmark results underline its capabilities. Cinebench 2024 1198 multi-core, 120 single-core. Geekbench 6 15596 multi-core, 2961 single-core. Crossmark 1869 overall score, outperforming several rival mini PCs and laptops. Crystal Disk marked 6,238 MBs read and 5,380 MBs write speeds from the 2 TB SSD. These numbers place the A9 Max firmly in the same league as premium gaming laptops, like the Razer Blade 16, while outperforming other compact PCs such as the Beelink SER9 and Asus ROG NUC 970. Conclusion: the Geekom A9 Max isn't just another mini PC. It's a small machine with a big punch. With excellent connectivity, strong Ryzen AI hardware, reliable integrated graphics, and surprisingly high gaming performance, it proves that compact PCs no longer need to compromise. Whether you're looking for a space-saving workstation, a capable gaming box, or an AI-friendly productivity machine, the A9 Max shows it's possible to have it all in one sleek silver package.